Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed a stud design, and this is a perfect. And this lecture is very helpful. This lecture is very useful and helpful for a beginner student. And this is a final assembly body, and this is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is designed here, and last is a all parts is assemble here, and this is a final assemble of this body. And this is a stud, and a stud design is this is a two stud and both side, and one is a this is a perfect and correct. And guys, this body is designed and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a cosmetic thread is also available here. Okay, and this is a this is a stud design, and this is a cosmetic thread is also looking here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and this body is a simple design here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is very important, and this is a plain white, and going to option and option is this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and this is a right plane is select here a better, because all geometry is this is showing here, and this is a 19 millimeter is this distance, and this is a 12 millimeter, and this is distance is a 26 millimeter, and this 100 millimeter and 52 millimeter, and this chamfer is a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and full length is 84 millimeter, and this is a thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, and this is 38 millimeter this is diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter diameter, then this is a 90 millimeter radius, then diameter is 38 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is radius, then 24 millimeter is diameter. Okay, and one by one is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. At first select a right plane. Okay, and 2. Okay, and at first select a 2 line is a drawing here. This is a perfect, and again select a line, this line to this. Okay, but this line is a bigger, then both is perfect, and drawing a the simple geometry, then select this center point, and drawing a line, this is a perfect, this is a correct and perfect, this line to this, and select this, and again this line to connect this, and this line to this. Okay, and this drawing this, and this to connect to this. Okay, all is perfect, but some relation is very important, and relation is this, and first line, and press a control button, and this line and this line select a collinear is a this. Okay, and also select this line, press a control button, and this line is select here, and use a collinear and also equal. Okay, both relation is a showing here. Okay. Okay, and mention or dimension is a this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and select this line to this is a 19 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a select 3 millimeter. Okay, and also this line is a this is a line 100 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, but this line is a drag here. Okay, and okay, and also this line is a 26 millimeter, and also this line is a 52 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this line is this. Okay, and this distance is 52 millimeter, and this is 100 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this is a 19 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, okay. And this is a perfect, okay, and this all is a fully defined, and this length is a 180 millimeter, but this is a not a this is a this make driven dimension. This is a not showing here, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a 19 millimeter is also drawing here, and 12 millimeter is perfect. 26 millimeter or 100 millimeter, and this is a 52 millimeter, and this is 3 millimeter. All is perfect and correct. Okay, and going to this is a 3 millimeter is also perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and axis, this axis is a select here, and this. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this body is a convert a 3D model, use a 2D drafting, help of a 2D drafting, and this model is a convert a 3D model, and this body is looking perfect and correct. And going to this chamfer, and 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all both edge is select here one by one, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, all is correct. And this cosmetic thread is apply here, length is 26 millimeter, and size is 24, and ISO. Okay, and this use a machine thread is a perfect, and also both is same, and one by one is cosmetic thread is apply here. And also use a color is a this going to this appearance, and metal is steel is a this color is a perfect, and also this a perfect, and steel, and going to this okay, this is a perfect looking here. And also apply a cosmetic thread, and at first going to cosmetic thread, then at first going to option and document properties, and going to detailing, and this select cosmetic thread is unchecked, and click a check here, because this is a showing easily, and this is not check here, then this is a cosmetic thread is not showing here. and apply a insert and going to annotation and cosmetic thread. Okay, and at first select this edge. Okay, this is showing here, but this is not showing here, this is unchecked, and click a check, then this is showing here, and click ISO and machine thread is perfect, and going to blind, and size is M24 and length is a 26 millimeter. Okay, and all is, and select this face and click OK and click OK, and again select going to insert and annotation and cosmetic thread, then this edge is select here, and this face is also select here, and ISO and machine thread, and this is a M size is M24 and 26 is a OK. This is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, all is perfect, and color is also change here because this is a perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and all geometry is a, you can see here. Okay, not mention here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, this body is finally drawing here, and guys, okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe the channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.